Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wild Rift like a pro. To begin, focus on mastering your chosen champion's kit and itemization. Efficiently last-hitting minions is crucial for gold generation, aiming for at least 75 minions by the 10-minute mark. Always keep an eye on your minimap and place wards strategically, especially around objectives like Dragon and Baron, to prevent ganks and secure vision control. Understanding jungle routes and objective timers is also key for every role. Next, elevate your gameplay by focusing on advanced mechanics. Develop strong trading patterns in lane, knowing when to engage and disengage to maximize damage and minimize risk. Strategic wave management, like freezing the wave near your tower or slow pushing for a dive, can create significant advantages. Look for opportunities to roam to other lanes, turning a 2 versus 2 into a 3 versus 2, securing kills and objectives. Precision in landing your skill shots and adeptly dodging enemy attacks are also vital for success. Professional play heavily relies on superior team coordination and objective control. Always prioritize securing major objectives such as the Dragon, Baron, and Elder Dragon, as these provide powerful buffs. In team fights, focus your damage on the highest priority enemy champions, like the enemy marksman or mage. Effective communication through pings and quick chat is essential for coordinating engages and retreats. Maintaining vision control around these critical objectives, often with control wards, is paramount to success. Finally, continuous improvement is the hallmark of a professional player. Regularly review your game replays to pinpoint errors and understand better decision-making. Be flexible and adapt your strategy based on your team's composition and the current game situation. A positive and resilient mindset is crucial. Learn from every match, regardless of the outcome. Dedicate time to practice specific mechanics like last hitting or jungle clearing in custom games to hone your skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.